How important do you think a book title is for the success of a book on Amazon KDP? It might be more crucial than you realize. Today, we'll dive into crafting titles and subtitles that turn browsers into buyers. A well-crafted title can significantly impact your book's visibility and sales. We'll look at how to create titles and subtitles that capture attention and attract readers. Many authors face a daunting task of creating book titles that stand out in a crowded marketplace. With millions of books available on Amazon, it's challenging to craft a title that grabs attention and resonates with potential readers. Common issues include making a title too generic, failing to convey the book's value, or not optimizing for Amazon's search algorithms. Let's jump into our first story with Giovanni, a tech-savvy Italian entrepreneur with a knack for data analysis. Giovanni's journey into the world of self-publishing offers a treasure trove of insights. You see, Giovanni was a software engineer who decided to write a book on productivity hacks for tech professionals. Despite his expertise, he struggled to create a title that resonated with his audience. Giovanni's analytical mind led him to a systematic approach. Giovanni started with the Amazon search bar, typing in potential keywords related to his book's topic. He noted down the most popular suggestions. He used Helium 10's free version to get an approximate search volume and competition for each keyword. For example, he typed productivity hacks for tech professionals and saw suggestions like time management for engineers and efficiency tips for tech. Giovanni examined the average BSR of top performing books in his niche to understand what worked. He read the titles and subtitles of successful books, noting down common themes and structures. Giovanni saw titles like Efficient Engineer, Maximize Your Productivity, and Tech Pro Time Mastery. Giovanni leveraged the principles from David Ogilvy's book, Ogilvy and Advertising, which focuses on clear, concise, and compelling language. He crafted a title and subtitle that highlighted the benefit to the reader, such as Tech Time Mastery, proven productivity hacks for software engineers. So the key takeaways for you as a self-published author is: conduct thorough keyword research to identify popular and relevant terms. Use data to inform your title and subtitle choices. Apply proven copywriting principles to make your titles more compelling. Before we move on to our next story, if you're eager to dive deeper into mastering Amazon KDP, check out my Udemy course, How to Excel on Amazon KDP. The link is in the description. Now let's meet our second character, Emma. Emma is an Australian creative writing instructor who wanted to self-publish a book on overcoming writer's block. Despite her creative flair, Emma found it challenging to create a title that stood out. Here's how she tackled it. Emma used the Amazon search bar to explore keywords related to creativity and writer's block. She used Helium 10 to gauge the search volume and competition, selecting keywords with moderate competition and high relevance. Emma searched for overcoming writer's block and noticed suggestions like creative writing techniques and beat writer's block. Inspired by Eugene Schwartz's book, Breakthrough Advertising, Emma focused on the emotional triggers and desires of her target audience. She crafted titles like Unlock Your Creative Genius and Break Free from Writer's Block. Emma tested her titles with her writing students, gathering valuable feedback on what resonated most. Based on the feedback, she settled on a title and subtitle that addressed a specific pain point. Unblock Your Creativity, 10 Proven Techniques to Overcome Writer's Block. So the key takeaways for you as a self-published author is to utilize keyword research to find terms that resonate with your audience. Draw on emotional and psychological insights to create compelling titles. Test your titles with potential readers to gather valuable feedback. Finally, let's hear from Charlotte, an English marketing guru turned self-published author who brought her expertise in sales and marketing to her book title strategy. Charlotte had a background in digital marketing and decided to write a book on social media strategies for small businesses. Here's how she applied her marketing technique to create an effective title and subtitle. Charlotte started with the Amazon search bar, listing popular keywords in her niche. Using Helium 10, she identified keywords with high search volumes and moderate competition. She searched for social media strategies and saw suggestions like Small Business Social Media Guide and Online Marketing for Beginners. Drawing from Sabi Subri's book, Sell Like Crazy, Charlotte focused on creating a sense of urgency and value in her title. She crafted multiple versions of her title and subtitle, emphasizing the benefits and actionable results. Charlotte came up with titles like Social Media Domination and Boost Your Business with Social Media. Charlotte chose a title that conveyed a clear benefit and solution. Social Media Success, Proven Strategies to Skyrocket Your Small Business Online. So the key takeaways for you as a self-published author is to use keyword research tools to understand what your audience is searching for. Incorporate sales copy techniques to create a sense of urgency and value. Highlight the benefits and solutions your book offers in the title and subtitle. In summary, we've learned from Giovanni's data-driven approach, Emma's creative strategy, and Charlotte's marketing expertise. Each use keyword research, copywriting principles, and audience feedback to craft compelling titles and subtitles for Amazon KDP. A structured way for you to apply this knowledge is to apply clear and concise language when creating your titles and subtitles, and you can reference David Ogilvy's book titled Ogilvy on Advertising, just like Giovanni. Apply emotional triggers and use the feedback you get when creating your titles and subtitles, and you can reference Eugene Schwartz's book Breakthrough Advertising, just like Emma did. Also, you can apply the marketing techniques and urgency frameworks when creating your titles and subtitles, and you can reference Sabi Subri's book titled Sell Like Crazy, just like Charlotte did. So, as a self-published author on Amazon KDP, these strategies can guide you to create book titles and subtitles that not only capture attention, but also drive sales. Remember, your title is the first impression you make on potential readers, so it's very important to make it count. What strategies have you found most effective in crafting your book titles? Share your experiences in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel for concise, actionable KDP strategies that are designed for maximum learner retention. Empower your self-publishing journey with story-driven insights and gain a strategic advantage in your genre. Until next time.